Now you have to scrub this when it is wet. He has just sprayed it, and he's got a nice scrub brush that he's using. And he's scrubbing it when it's wet, and then he's going to wait 15 minutes, and then he's going to spray it down and get all the spray off of it, all the soap suds off of it, and hopefully it'll dry nice and clean. So he's going to spray and then scrub. As you can see, we have a ranch-style house, so he's not very high. But this is not something you want to do if you have vertigo, he said. You're leaning over, and you do not want to do this if you have vertigo.